Hey guys, it's Texier here. Welcome back to another video. We're going to be taking a look at the Logitech K400 Plus TV. Now this one is a wireless keyboard and also has a touchpad. So you would only need one dongle, USB dongle, to use this device. You know how you have like a keyboard and a mouse connecting to a computer? It will take up two USB ports, and now they could do that. Now you could do that using only one USB port, and plus it is wireless. And as you can see here, you could also connect to your TV. And this could be great for any applications. Say they might be far from the monitor and you don't want to use a wired mouse and keyboard. And this could also be especially great if you have a if you guys are tech savvy, and if you guys have heard of Raspberry Pi. Yep, that thing only has around, I think, two USB ports. And if you use this, you could have a keyboard plus a touchpad, which would be very useful, because some devices, like if you want to use a Raspberry Pi, you need a mouse and a keyboard, and if you don't have this one, you're gonna end up using two USB ports, one for the mouse and one for the keyboard. Even if they're wireless, you just have to use two dongles, right? Because separate dongle for the mouse, separate dongle for the keyboard. But for this one combines the two, so it's very convenient. So the operating system that you need have to be Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. And this thing also works with Android 5.0 or later, and Chrome OS. You're gonna get a keyboard in the box, a USB dongle, some papers, and two AA batteries. So yeah, in this picture you can see the convenience of having a wireless dongle. No wires, no. And yeah, this has a 18-month battery life. It is very media friendly. It has a 10-meter wireless range, and yes, as I said, it has a built-in touchpad. Okay, so let's open it up, see how it looks. Gonna get my trusty knife over here. Ooh. Where's the dongle? Am I missing a dongle? Oh shoot. Yeah, I'm missing a dongle. Okay, I can't seem to find the dongle here. Nothing here. It says it came with the dongle. So the dongle was supposed to be in here, and apparently it's not here anymore. Okay, whatever, let's head on. Let's go to the unboxing. Let's just keep going. Here you're gonna see the switch, the on-off switch over here. And if you want to get it loaded up, just take off the sticker and you guys are good to go. You could use it. Yeah, let's just feel how the keys move. So the keys are they're not very clicky. Keys are not very clicky. I would prefer it to be clicky, but this one's fine. So it has all the functionality of a full keyboard, and also has a touchpad. And here you can also control the volume. You can mute it. And this is an equivalent of a laptop touchpad and a laptop keyboard. So this would be an equivalent of a laptop keyboard. You have the keyboard over here, and you have the touchpad and the buttons at the bottom, but here we just have it on the side. So yep, so yeah, this is the end of the video.
20 minutes later.
No. Okay, so I found the dongle. It was right here all along. Okay, let's go back to the unboxing. Okay, and we're back. So if you open up this one over here, yeah, you can see this little slot that you could insert your USB dongle. So for when you travel, you could just insert it here and put it back into the keyboard. Then once you decide to take it out, just take this back out and take out the USB dongle, plug it into your computer, and yeah, you're good to go. Okay, so what I want to do with this is I'm going to test it out. I'm going to use my computer, test it out, and see how it goes. Here you're going to see it's installing the device driver software. Just give it a few minutes, and I'll see you when it's ready. Okay, so while waiting, let's just go over some instructions so I know what to do after. So this one, I already know what to do. Okay, important safety, compliance, and warranty. Don't care about that. Okay, this contains some useless information. So this is basically a plug and play device. Just plug it and it's gonna work right away. And we got 2 down. We have 2 more to go. Let's start our first test. Clicking the Windows button in 3, 2, 1. Okay. So it works. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna do a typing speed test, and the screen's gonna be recorded for you guys so you guys can see what I'm doing. What does this mouse button do? Okay, the screen is recording. I'm gonna go to a typing speed test right now and see how it works. Okay, so I'm gonna do a 1 minute speed test. And let's see. I'm gonna do Tigers in the Wild. Okay. Let's start it right now. I do feel about the keyboard, it's a bit too small. I'm not used to this small. Okay, I'm gonna start right now. Okay, let's see. So my typing speed was 49 words per minute. So the typing for this one is decent. Yeah, this one's very nice. I do recommend it to you guys if you guys don't like messy wires. And thing that there is a bigger version that has like a full-formed keyboard and a separate mouse. This one is just good for traveling, and if you want to use it for smaller operations, like you have a small area to work on, then this could be good for you guys. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you guys haven't yet subscribed, go down below and click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.